Same argument of buying 4 different printers instead of one. Like one Tassos is having it in his school. What's the name
which
of
one?
Anima.
So we have 10 kids in the room, let's say 3 groups. They have things to print out. It will take, let's say, 2 hours to print one material. So it's
Material.
Setup material.
Setup material. PLA.
Should we do that every time?
It depends, yes. The material.
Okay.
Now you see that if you're here, you see the target temperature and what's the current temperature.
Okay.
Okay. Then we go back and you select the file. And let's look it up.
External or internal?
Internal. And you go down with the arrows. No. Is it
Why auto?
Maybe this is the old
Why
one.
auto? Why auto set? It said release. It's okay.
What's the name? What's the name for it? You did it? Oh, you said it. Okay, button with eyes, but
Starts smelling plastic.
yeah, the plastic.
Okay, so.
But I'm not sure
Why?
if we try. Button
Nice.
with eyes. And what was the other Batman?
No other button.
Okay. So
Why does it say now auto settings?
because it tries to apply, because we applied an automatic material, PLA and ABS, which are the most common ones.
Okay.
If you want to set another temperature or another custom material,
Why did we have to set the temperature here and here as well?
in order
Would that be in conflict?
in order to understand the material that we are using, or else if you didn't press this button, then you say print, and the printing temperature was gonna change from the Cura, from the.
Okay, so
from the design.
this printer reads this information
Exactly,
and
exactly.
bypasses the manual.
Exactly. But in order to save time, I pressed PLA.
Okay, which is the same.
Exactly.
Okay, print.
And another thing we can try is from settings. No, actually from it's faster, from new job. Select load and load material. I move the axis. You see that it start to flow out.
Okay, so I have to pull it. Yep. Multiply.
Set it to 0.
Do we have to calibrate each time?
Actually, because I calibrated it yesterday, no. But if you haven't used it like for a week, then you do.
So why do we do that?
To move it to the origin point, 0 point, and then move up. Now, if you want to, for instance, to move material to see if there is a good flow, this is how you set the material in. If I was using a new filament, you try that, or if I wanted to take it off,
Which button was that?
the feed button.
How long?
The feed is like 5 steps,
okay.
yeah.
So it does that.
Spaghetti. Use this.
Okay. Αν ήταν καφέ θα πάρε τον πάλι.
And I think we're ready to print. You have to be ready to remove any material when it starts. You see? No, it's good.
Οπότε σε μένα τέτοιο στο χέρι, συνέχεια.
Drizzle.
Έχεις τέτοια σχολείο, έχεις τέτοια πάρα πολύ τέτοια.
Έχω.
Από τις δισκέτες.
Ας το κάνω από αυτό. You see something stuck to the printer? No, to the extruder, sorry.
Ναι, είναι. Αλλά είναι στο πλάι.
It's okay. Now it's okay.
No, it's not.
Why?
I can pause it quickly to remove this material.
Έχει και χειροτεχνία αρκετή.
Remove all of it.
Κάνεις την αρχή,
And continues the other layers of the skirt.
Πάλι όπως κάτι κάνει.
Κάτσε λίγο. And this was a fail.
Okay.
No.
And
And stop.
it sounds like button.
Yeah.
Καθαρές ώρες. Θα πουλήσεις τις ώρες.
Of course not.
Πολύ καθάρισμα, βλέπω και αρχινό μυστικό.
Πάρτε βίντεο, είναι χρήσιμο.
Πολύ καθάρισμα, βλέπω και αρχινό
Να
μυστικό.
ανεβάσετε το Facebook.
Just in order to start.
Έπρεπε να τον ήμουν εγώ κόλλησα.
God damn it.
God damn it.
Κάντε.
Now it works. It went in my hand.
Φουστίτσα τώρα.
Πάει καλά τώρα.
Το λες και καλά.
Δεν το λες και καλά. Το μαγνηστήριο το έβγαλες για να βλέπεις.
I can close it. Hello, good. How do you say good? Turkish?
Iyi. İyi.
İyi. İyi.
İyi.
İyi. Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah.
İyi. İyi.
Λοιπόν,
Έχει designated survivor next to δεν θα έρθω
Really quick.
you can speed it up, but you can see the eyes. It started building the eyes,
Τα eyes τα έκανε. Τις τρύπες.
but they are too small actually.
Yes.
Έκανες μικρά μας.
No, probably they're good, but we scaled the
So there's no eyes.
STL file.
İlk şeyle başladık.
Καλά δεν τα έκανε.
Anahtarlık en güzel.
Το κρεμάς.
Hayır, bence daha basit başlamalı ya. Böyle ufak tefek.
Μα τα έκανε, όχι. Τα έκανε. Αλλά δεν είναι, το ένα είναι σαν καβό, το άλλο είναι σαν καβό.
Τώρα κλείνει, κάνει wink.
Το ένα είναι μεγάλο, το άλλο είναι μεγάλο, το άλλο είναι μικρό. Άμα τα δεις. Καταλαβαίνεις. Ένα μεγάλο βάζει, ένα μικρό. Πώς θα σου δώσουμε σένα.
Ορίστε.
Θα δεν είναι κολλημένη.
Όχι.
Λίγο κολλημένη να την πιάσουμε για κρεμαστά.
Όχι, δεν είναι.
Να σου θέλω να κάνω. Θα το περάσουμε κλωστή.
Αυτό το χιαστή που κάνει μία έτσι και μία έτσι.
Λέμε για
Ναι.
triangles, είναι τα τρίγωνα που είπες. Ναι, βέβαια. Αυτό πάει έτσι. Του διαλέγεις τι το κάνει. Το κάνει γραμμικά, το
Line
κάνει.
πώς είναι δηλαδή.
Το.
Line είναι το είναι μία γραμμή πάνω στην άλλη. Χιαστή κάνει τώρα. Αυτό πράγμα.
Τώρα το κάνει
Έκανε
πizza
χιαστικά
pattern, αλλά δεν μπορούμε να το
τρίγωνα.
καταλάβουμε. Υποτίθεται κάνει τρίγωνα. Τριγωνάκια με lines.
Και έχει και εξάγωνα.
Ναι, και honeycomb και.
διάφορα,
πώς το λένε.
Για να κάνεις μια κατασκευή πιο γερή, τι χρησιμοποιείτε συνήθως, ένα εργαλείο?
Για το infill.
Ναι,
Για το infill.
ναι, αυτό που λέμε τώρα για τα triangles και τα λοιπά.
Καλύτερα solid, τελείως solid, αν είναι μεγάλο. Αλλά αν θέλουμε κάτι πιο στερεό, honeycomb 3D είναι το καλύτερο.
Α, honeycomb, αυτό το είπα. Δεν έχει honeycomb αυτό.
Δεν είχε...
Δεν ξέρω, τη λέτε, αλλά σας πιστεύω.
Είναι τα εξάγωνα.
Τα honeycombs είναι εξάγωνα.
Αυτό που έλεγα πριν, ναι.
Ναι, κατάλαβα. Α, και από αυτό το έλεγες.
Εντάξει, αυτό είναι θέμα του λογισμικού. Εγώ έχω άλλο λογισμικό, ας πούμε αυτό. Το λογισμικό είναι το voxelizer που έχει από τη μάνα του. Το voxelizer, το οποίο έχει μέσα honeycomb και honeycomb 3D. Εξαρτάται και από το λογισμικό που χρησιμοποιείς. Ο εκτυπωτής πάντως θα τυπώσει ό,τι γίνει
Ό,τι πεις χαζός όπως υπολογιστής, ό,τι πει να κάνει, το κάνει.
Οι εκτυπωτές είναι όλοι συμβατοί με το Cura.
Σε ένα παίρνει Cura.
Όχι.
Αφού είναι open source και Cura θα παίρνει, τα πάντα θα παίρνει. Το open source δεν παίρνει.
Και θέλει και το δικό του υλικό.
Κυβιζέτη πρόθεση.
Δεν είναι open source.
Είναι πάρα πολύ πιστός και από άποψη υλικού και από άποψη printer και από άποψη software.
Καλύτερο είναι αυτό που ξέρεις.
Ποιο από τα δύο? Δηλαδή και
Το
με αυτό
HipZ με το HipZ όμως κόπηξε αρκετά, δηλαδή ήθελα να το μάθω. Πώς έκανε εκτυπώς? Ναι, αλλά για να κάνω αυτές τις λίγες, βέβαια. Πριν κάνεις εκτυπώς, κάνω δοκιμές. Αλλά επειδή κάνω έφτιαξα αυτό το φύλλο εργασίας για να κάνουμε μετά σαν έρευνα, πρέπει το χρησιμοποιήσω συνέχεια για να κάνει extrude και για να δω το...
Δεν είναι
για να κάνεις τη
Ναι, για να δω τελικά να μου βγάζει το αυτό που θα εκτύπωνε και βλέποντας αυτό που θα
σχέδια
εκτύπωνε.
χρησιμοποιείς για εκτυπώσεις.
Δεν θυμάμαι τώρα, είχα πάρει κάτι. Και το θέμα είναι, εμένα σας με ενδιαφέρει είναι να δω, ας πούμε, 10, 20%, 50%, 100% τι χρόνο θέλει. Έτσι, ναι. Δηλαδή έπαιζα με τη γέμιση και με τον τρόπο. Έκανα πινακάκι, ναι, για τέτοιο, αλλά βέβαια όχι, εγώ δεν έβλεπα πως βγαίνει, αλλά δεν κάθισα να κάνω έρευνα, αυτοί ήθελαν να κάνουν τα παιδιά. Εγώ κάνω το φύλλο εργασία για τα παιδιά. Έτσι.
To start, because okay, I sent the information there. Who would like to activate the machine? You go press the green go button. Don't worry, it will not explode. So, first it does the scoring. And after the scoring is finished, it will cut. Πολύ μ' άρεσε αυτό. Δεν θέλω την απάντηση. Σε αντιγράφω. Είσαι σαν τη συνεργή του είσαι. It's a little bit more interesting when it starts cutting. Now it's just scoring. Yes, let's see some more projects and we will
I
continue
have
with
something
the...
here, this fork. Been done on the laser as well. Okay. And I have in my hand a combination of CNC milling and laser, which is this one. So we do the S-ray on the CNC and then we have the logo using the laser.
Yani önce şunu da yapıyor, sonra bunu da yapıyor değil mi?
These are more like the furniture models. We made that on the laser.
Είναι και το σουδέρα από κόρκ.
Όπου μυρίζει,
Έτσι μέλης.
These are like the maybe drill objects, yeah?
Ναι, τα έβαλα όλα για φωτογραφία.
So we have two 3D scanners. One is this one over here, which can be used for huge objects like human, car, planes, and stuff like that. Behind me is an exercise, a coursework from a student. It's a milk tank here. The student just calculate the volume of the milk tank because milk tanks, starting like a circle, and ends up like an ellipse. So it's kinda, let's say, not exactly specific when the manufacturer gives the volume. So our student make 3D scanning the inside. He makes some slices, so take the perimeter of each slice. He calculate and he thinks it's 0.05 more or less. 0.5%. So imagine in a milk tank, it's taking about a ton of milk, and multiply this like 100 of milk tanks. You can imagine how much milk is go wasted. So this one is a small one. It's using for archaeological pieces or houses, let's say a small chair or whatever. Okay, perhaps if someone broke his screen on the computer, just get the part, 3D scan it, okay, then go to a software like FreeCAD, replace the model using this software, and then just 3D print it and just put it over the screen.
What's the cost like of
this one is 20,000. Sorry, 22,000, and the small one is 3,000.
What about student use or academic, something cheaper? Is something in the
No, I
market?
don't think so. Because this is for professional use. Okay, you can do many things. So,
It was nice to work and meet together. It was nice to meet and work together with you.
so I'm gonna light up this strange thing. It's more like a mixer.
Well, expensive one.
That was very good. I just started and then everything stops. Great time. Okay. So, this over here is just like a probe light. Strobe light, yeah.
It's dangerous.
No, it's not
for the
dangerous.
model.
It's like a camera light. Don't worry.
Oh,
You still have
be happy.
If we don't see you at the dinner, then we will
So,
know.
I'm just starting scanning.
Don't look at
During
me.
the procedure, try not to move your head. I know it's kind of difficult, but try not to move it. Just put yourself over there, or here, whatever.
I don't need to close my eyes.
Yeah, it's not. So, I'm just locating. You see here is the perfect distance between me and the model. Not me, but the scanner and the model. When I say me, I mean the scanner. So, if you see during the whole procedure, I'm not watching the name. Sorry?
Cecil.
Cecile, okay, during I'm scanning Cecile, I'm not watching her, I'm just watching here. But if I just try to watch it here, I'm gonna lose what I'm scanning over here. So many times when you do such professional work, you need someone else to be with a laptop, just 90 degrees, 180 degrees above me, opposite to me. So it will be easier for me. Now I'm just working by myself, I'm locating and wait a second, wait a moment, please, don't move. Okay, now we're gonna start. Try not to move. And here we go. If you search on the internet for Obama 3D scan, the president, the ex-president of America, you're gonna see that there are two persons scanning him with the same 3D scanner. It's almost the same. It's called Arcopila.
Wow.
How do you know to go to the round?
It's not the 3D scanner just let's say go into the model and returning me some information. That's why if the glasses and signing things, I think here the watch you're gonna see it's kind of difficult to catch the. You see? Cannot. So let's say and
It's only
it's just a light with returning information.
reflecting back.
How do you know it's enough before going to another direction?
It's just taking, you see there, it's just starting, let's say, closing the model. So I'm just moving, not too fast.
Is this frames per second?
Yeah, this over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I think I'm 7. It's frame per second.
So this is the process that the guy with the Antikythera mechanism explained, but a similar one, not tomography, but 3D scanning.
Long hair always a problem. I'm not gonna find her. Now I've lost her. Oh, I found her. I've lost her.
I love you, I found you.
Yeah. Yeah, the red is that I lost her. Okay. Let's try to be a little bit. It's not so easy to work just one. I'm gonna try to go to the other side. Yeah, editing. Yeah, I'm perfect. I'm too far now. You see the green now over there in the bar? Yeah. I try to bring it somewhere here. If I try to go farther, yeah, that's the perfect distance. That's why I'm looking on the screen every time. Let's say this. Moving fast, far away. You don't draw a circle on the ground. Sorry? You draw a circle on the ground. Yeah, if we have the opportunity, we're going to do it like 360. Or, wait, we're done. Or if you have something like this for the small one, if you have a bigger one connected here, so we just like doing like this and the object turn around, so it's better. So, let's see what we have done. So this is it. This is your 3D model.
Wow.
Not full? And I have your texture as well. You see your colors? Now I can add these colors over here on the other model. Which is this one. We have a 3D model with color, or no?
And print.
Yeah, but the human is kind of difficult to start the post-processing before the 3D printing. No, 3D printing is just the easy part. Because if you see, if I start clicking on each frame, essential during the procedure, I just take 7 frames per second. In 1 second, perhaps you will blink your eyes about 100 times. So I have to decide which eyes I want, the open or the closed. So I have to start deleting it frame by frame, the closed eyes. And then perhaps a short movement of the head is gonna bring me 2 noses, 4 ears, 2 heads. So I'm starting, let's say I want the head to be here, so all the others just deleted. Yeah. And now I'm not complete. You see, I have to do it again, stay here, do it again, delete from the other scan as well, the eyes and the heads and all of that. Combine the 2 scans, and after I'm done, I can proceed to No, it's not the 3D scanning of a human. It's taking about half an hour, not more, not less. But the procedure after, the whole processing after the 3D scan is yeah, with the aircraft. I told you. Did you tell you about the aircraft? Yeah, we did. You go 5 times on the aircraft. We scan it 5 days per 5 hours. Okay, and the student take about 2.5 months to combine all these scans together to have the final. One student, yeah. One student and me. We're 2, and one soldier who was on the military to help us with with all these cables.
You can show this from the SPD website activities if you have internet.
Yeah, just play a little bit with the laser, with the folding, and I'm gonna find it here. Yes.
It's because of her that we are all here today, yeah?
I'm a celebrity.
All of these are student projects with the laser.
Süper. Canlı yayın yaptım. Bunları paylaştım. Live'da. Evet.
You will need some glue maybe, right? For this one. Yes. Or some tape.
Και από μέσα για να μην φαίνεται. Τι κάνεις
να στερεώσεις μέχρι το
Κι άλλο. Και ο Τάσος, κάτι έχεις και εσύ στην Παρθένα. Κάτι έχεις και εσύ στην Παρθένοπολη. Περίμενε. Αυτό πάντως Βοηθήστε με λιγάκι. Αυτό γιατί έχει μείνει από το αποτύπωμα κάτω.
Από το...
Από τη φωτιά.
Και πώς θα καθαρίσει τώρα αυτό?
Κάτσε να το ρωτήσω.
Κάτι άκουσα κάτι άλλο ζώδιο.
Να το κλείσω. Πώς σας φάνηκε μέχρι στιγμής? Αυτά που κάνουμε στις 5 μέρες, τα σχολεία θα πάνε σε ένα χρόνο.
Ποια σχολεία?
Αλλά σε ένα χρόνο φτάνει. Αυτό είναι τσιχταρωτό κομμάτι, δεν έχουμε προβληματίσει τάσο. Μέσα κάτι που δείτε πριν, θα βγάλει πρώτα για πράγματα.
Yes, okay.
This is the reason that I lost about half a day. As I was working on the files, I was starting to remove the digital noise and I was starting to read lines that, characters that were hidden by the digital noise. And I was like, okay, am I reading them for the first time? Oh, let me read a little bit more, And after 4 hours, I was like, okay. And in a series of many scientists that are working on this. Professor Safir told me that the total amount of characters known at that time was about 2,000. Today it's